Kitchen hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Cooking Brilliance Unveiled. Life hack: create a large batch cooling rack. The ironing board doubles as a versatile kitchen companion, serving as extra counter space or a makeshift cooling rack when its cover is removed, making it a surprising and practical tool for your next big batch cookie baking session. Life hack: utilize canning tongs for handling hot dishes. Ease the challenge of lifting hot ramekins from a water bath by using canning tongs, $8, with round, non-slip edges, ensuring a splash-free experience, ideal for our burnt custard recipe. Life hack: employ your stand mixer for kneading dough. Skip the manual effort of kneading homemade bread by using a stand mixer with a dough hook, achieving the same results in just a few minutes on high, perfect for trying out our no-knead bread recipes. Life hack: maintain app coolness. Keep your cold appetizers, like shrimp or deviled eggs, photo-worthy and food-safe at your next gathering by placing them on a bed of crushed ice in a bowl covered with lettuce leaves, using this clever trick. Life hack: organize picnic necessities. Prepare for impromptu picnics by placing a plastic bin filled with all your essentials, serveware, games, sunblock, and linens, inside a cooler for easy access. Life hack: create mini servings of whipped cream. Elevate your desserts with a quick, mess-free single serving of sweetened whipped cream using your immersion blender, $104, perfect for adding a dollop of delight to treats like strawberry shortcake. Life hack: prevent food mingling. Satisfy picky eaters by using cupcake liners in vibrant colors and patterns to create separate sections in the lunchbox, preventing goldfish from touching peeled fruit. Life hack: enhance a crumb crust with added flavor. Elevate your recipe's graham cracker or cookie crust by choosing a specialty flavor cookie from the store for added taste. Life hack: master the art of plating. Achieve clean and tidy slices of cake or cheesecake by dipping the blade of your sharp knife in hot water, wiping it dry, and repeating the process for a polished edge. Life hack: create additional storage space. Enhance your kitchen's usability by adding affordable hooks inside cabinets for efficient storage of potholders, measuring spoons, and extra gadgets. Life hack: extract additional juice. Effortlessly extract more lemon juice by microwaving the lemon for 7 to 10 seconds, rolling it under your palm on the counter, offering a convenient tip for our lemon-flavored recipes. Life hack: speedily remove the hull from a strawberry. Swiftly remove strawberry stems by inserting a drinking straw, or stainless steel reusable, from the tip to the other end. Life hack: elevate your butter. Upgrade your butter game by effortlessly infusing softened sticks with lemon juice and herbs at home. Life hack: include a carrot. Balance the acidity in tomato sauce with a touch of sweetness by simmering a peeled whole carrot with the sauce, removing it before serving for a simple fix. Life hack: experiment with a mess-free melting technique. Avoid microwave messes when melting butter by repurposing the butter wrapper as a cover for your microwavable dish, a simple hack to keep things clean. Life hack: prepare a meatloaf that is tender and juicy. Achieve a softer texture in your meatloaf by opting for a beef-pork mix, as demonstrated in the all-American meatloaf recipe, countering the coarse texture of an all-beef mix. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.